Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. Ikea makes very comfortable office chairs that have good functional design and look very stylish. But I don't understand why they spoil everything by supplying their chairs with these safety castor wheels. Yes, they call it safety castors because they automatically break and lock themselves when no one is sitting on the chair, as if the chair is going to run away on its own. It's pretty annoying when I just want to move it a bit so it doesn't hit the table, but I cannot. Watch my previous video about how wonderful this chair is, except the fact that this chair is always stuck to the ground when I'm not sitting on it. So I went on to YouTube and watched half a dozen of videos to find a solution. Some suggest pry open the castor wheel and remove the spring inside, which presses the wheels on the brakes when no one is sitting on the chair. Another video suggests pry open the wheels and cut away the brakes, which is a piece of plastic inside the castor wheels, actually 2 pieces of plastic inside each castor wheel. Those are all very good DIY solutions, but it's a bit too much work for me, and breaking the castor wheels will most likely void the Ikea 10 years warranty on this chair. Well, my solution doesn't require any of this prying that might break the wheels. The solution I found is this: just spend a bit of money and replace the castor wheels. So if we need to claim warranty, we can just put back the original wheels. Now before you go off and buy any generic castor wheels, you may want to note that the stem diameter for most generic office chairs castors are 11 mm in diameter, and Ikea castor wheel stem is 10 mm. Yes, just 1 mm of difference, and it doesn't fit. Ask me how I know. Luckily, I can return those ones that I've tried that don't fit. So look for those castors with a stem of 10 mm diameter. Or even better, look for the ones that says will only fit Ikea chairs, like the ones I've got. The one I've got is from Wholesome brand, and it might be a little bit more expensive because it's basically a rollerblade wheel design, which is pretty cool. Not only these type of wheels are really smooth and easy to roll, it also protects my new wooden laminate flooring that I've just spent weeks installing myself. Watch the video appearing on the top right if you are interested to see how I install my laminate flooring. These wheels are smooth because there are ball bearings here and here, just like rollerblade wheels. It's pretty innovative of them to use rollerblade wheel design concepts to make castor wheels for office chairs. They spin so smoothly and they can take a fair amount of weight. Check out my Amazon affiliate links to these innovative wheels for Ikea chairs. There are also 11 mm diameter stems for generic office chairs too. Thanks for supporting my channel using my affiliate links. That helps me grow this channel so that more people can benefit from my videos. Every small gesture, like subscribing and liking my videos, helps a lot. Thank you very much. And finally, now I can do this. Yes, Ikea, we need to push in our chairs when we are not sitting on them. Thanks for watching, you take care, and I'll see you in the next one.